Hello friends. In this video I will show you how to correct date format in Microsoft Excel. So we can see here is the month before date and you want to need this format. So you can change format easily. Select it and then click on data. Now here click on text to column. Then next and here select next. Here select date and here you can select any format like DMY, date, month, year, YMD, year, month, date, days, and MYD, month, year, day. So you can select your desired option, then click on finish. So this way you can change and you can correct that format in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you.